Time for a brew vlog. My timing must be off. I don't remember having time to vlog at this part of the brewing process. Trying different stuff this year. Checking my pH, it's too high. So where was I? I swear, you close the bathroom door, you start talking to the camera, my roommate's got to get up out of bed. So, I guess I'm going to have to edit whatever I said before. I'm checking my mash pH, it's 5.8, should be 5.2. So that's not good. Next batch I got something else up my sleeve to try. Tried malt conditioning, which is you moisten the malt to keep the husk intact. It kind of bogged down my grain mill, but the crush looked really good. So far the new computer and the new program on the new computer are working pretty good. Stir plate's working out. It's been on all night and I don't feel any heat to it. Other than that, it's just a rusty start. In a bad mood because of it. Are you my new brew buddy? Trixie's old and sleeping in the bed all the time. You're the only one who comes out and cares and wants to see me. Hey, this camera doesn't change for daylight savings. That's a bunch of crap. I should have went with plan A and took a nap. Hasn't been going good. My efficiency took a big nosedive for some reason. So I'm watching the news, and there's been a 4-foot alligator found in Michigan. And they got a whole herd of cops out there trying to catch this 4-foot alligator to take it somewhere to alligator rescue, maybe. They're going to send this alligator on a more expensive vacation than I've had in a long time. I would have taken care of the alligator about 39 cents. They do the same thing with deer's places. They're food. Eat them. 39 cents later, the problem is solved. What are we going to do? Start giving deer artificial hips because they get hit by a car? You know, it's not like a alligator in Michigan is there naturally. Not an endangered species. It was someone's pet. They didn't care about it. It was going to die there anyhow. Let someone eat it. How long do you think it'll be before one of those self-parking cars gets recalled? I'm thinking 2, maybe 3 years. It's computer stuff. You know it's got to screw up. That was a bad brew session. I should have took a nap.